Hey, are you looking for a drop top? Spring right around the corner. Here's a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. A very nice looking car. A little bit about this car. It does have a Rocket 350 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This car was also a highly optioned car. Power steering, power brakes, power top, AC, so very well equipped 1971 Olds Cutlass Supreme. The other thing about this car, very similar to the way it would have rolled off the Oldsmobile dealer's showroom in 1971. This would have been a 24 paint code, so it was Nordic blue with a white top is how it would have came. It's obviously, you can see, still a blue car, white top. 987 would have been your trim as far as the interior goes, and that was a white notchback bench seat. So that's still the way this car is set up. So it was originally a car out of Georgia, has been with the past family before it came to us for nearly 20 years. That's when it had been restored. Still in very nice shape today. Nice driver quality car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, check out the underside interior engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to call us too. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Be happy to help answer any questions we may on this one. Again, you can see how nice the paint is on this one. Nice reflection coming off the ceiling. Not much for nicks, scratches, or dings in this. You can tell it's been very well taken care of. Was that family's baby for quite some time. Take a look at this interior. Here's your notchback bench seat up front. White interior, match the white top. See, an aftermarket stereo has been added to it. That does work. I played around with this a little bit too. The wipers work. Fan motor blows. I did have the compressor turning it on and off on the AC. AC was also blowing cool, so all of that appears to be working. As you can see, riding on rally wheels. Great looking car. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Dual exhaust coming out the back. That Rocket 350 underneath the hood sounds very nice. We'll fire it up here a little bit. I had it running just a second ago to put the top down and get it ready for this video. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video there's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you right to the website where the still pictures are. Number 507-386-1726, where we can be reached. Take a look up and down this driver's side also. You can see the bright work in the chrome. Nice in this car. Little tiny bit of pitting on the front bumper. I'm going to show you that when we get around to it. But most generally, this whole car, nice shape. You can see how straight it is. Got a nice clear over the paint. A little bit of pitting I was talking about. I did notice kind of at the very top of the bumper here. Pick up on just a little bit of it. But overall, again, very nice driver quality car. Check it out in the still pictures. You can see the underside. You'll see what I'm talking about. Check out the engine bay. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and let's fire this thing up. We'll check out that engine bay. See how it runs. I'm just going to reach in. It's probably the easiest to... All right, see how easily it starts. Odometer reads 60,652. Can't confirm or deny if that is original miles or not. Judging by the underside, some of this car wouldn't surprise me. Unfortunately, the miles won't stay in the title once the title becomes a certain age and the car becomes a certain age. You can see the dash, also in nice shape. I do believe I mentioned the top is white in color also, and that is in nice shape too. And you can check that out in the still pictures. Slip around to the back here. Like I said, nice little rumble coming out of that 350 Rocket V8 underneath the hood. And again, that's paired with an automatic transmission, turbo 350. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second because it's going to take me both hands to pop this hood. And let's check out the engine bay. All right, here we go. Hood popped. See how clean it is underneath there first off. And nice and smooth this old V8 is running. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. So very nicely equipped car. See, it's nice and tidy underneath here. Nice smooth running engine. There you have it. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible. The way it would have came from Oldsmobile back in 71. Give us a call.